Growth of bacteria. Now we will see what are all the growth stages which are present in the bacteria. My name is NH Shankar Reddy and I am doing PhD plant pathology in Annamalai University. Bacteria mainly contains four growth stages, that is the lag phase, that is first phase. The second one is the log phase or exponential phase. Or third one is the stationary phase, or fourth one is death phase or decline phase. Now we will see one by one. The first one is the lag phase. During this lag phase, on the right side diagram will be there here. During the lag stage, what will happen? No bacterial growth can be observed during a lag phase because the bacteria will start to adjust the environmental conditions or pH or the nutrients. Bacteria will try to adjust all the surroundings. So due to that, what will happen? The bacterial there is no bacterial growth or little bit bacterial growth can be observed, but the size of the bacterium can be increased. The size of the bacterium can be increased. That is the first stage or lag phase. In lag phase, what will happen? There is no growth or little bacterial growth can be observed. Due to the bacteria have to survive or adjust the new environmental conditions or pH or temperature. So that is lag phase. The second one is log phase or exponential phase. What will happen after adjusting the environmental condition at after a lag phase? The bacteria starts to grow rapidly. We can see the growth here. It starts to grow rapidly. Maximum growth can be sensed in this log phase or exponential phase due to what will happen here. The bacteria, after adjusting all the environmental conditions, the bacteria starts to utilize the all available nutrients for their growth and environment what it has adopted earlier. So due to the utilization of all available nutrients, the number of bacteria can be increased rapidly or drastically. That is exponential phase or lag phase. The maximum number of bacteria or maximum number of bacterial growth can be observed in a stage that is log stage or exponential stage. Here at every 20 minutes the number of bacteria will be doubled. At every 20 minutes the number of bacteria will be doubled. That is log phase or exponential phase. The third one is stationary phase or stability phase. What will happen here after utilizing of all available nutrients in the medium or whatever the conditions, due to the exhaustion of all available nutrients and the accumulation of toxic chemicals, the growth rate and the death rate will be equalized. What happens here, whatever the growth rate will be there, the same amount of death rate will also be there. Due to that, there is no increase and there is no decrease of bacterial growth. So here that is called stationary phase. The stationary phase is mainly due to the exhaustion of nutrients and the accumulation of toxic products. The growth will be slow down a little bit. So here the growth, the amount of organisms or bacteria are born, the same amount of bacteria also died same time as well. Okay, the last one is death phase. Death phase means due to exertion of all nutrients, there is nothing left in the medium. If the medium, whatever the provided nutrients that we have, due to the exertion of all nutrients, what will happen? The toxic chemicals or the toxins are highly accumulated. Due to the accumulation of toxins or the metabolites or the unfavorable environmental conditions may be built. Due to that, what will happen? The bacteria can't able to survive in the medium. So that's why here the growth can be declined. Here the birth rate will be very less and the death rate will be increased. This is called death phase. Death phase is followed by autolysis, digestion of their own cells. So what will happen here? The total count remains same, but the viable count will be decreases. Due to autolysis, what will happen? The total count remains same, but the number of viable bacteria will be reduced due to unfavorable environmental conditions will build there. So that due to the presence of unfavorable environmental conditions or toxic chemicals, most number of bacteria will be died. Only survive, only the bacteria have most capable or virulent bacteria or the bacteria which has the capability to survive all the environmental conditions, only that type of bacteria can be survived. Remaining almost all bacteria will be died because of unfavorable environmental conditions and the accumulation of toxic products. In that stage, what will happen? The death, the growth curve can be declined. This is death phase. Here One more thing that we have to see here, that is called dioxic growth. Dioxic growth, which means two growth curves can be observed when a bacteria provide different substances. Different substances, that is due to the presence of different types of substances, that is substance 1, substance 2, which comes under maybe different types of glucose or lactase, lactic acid, or different types of substance. On the right side we can see the dioxic growth curve. In the here the normal carbon sources or the glucose sources, due to the presence of this, at the first time what will happen, the bacteria utilize the glucose sources alone. The next time what the bacteria will do, it starts to utilize the carbon sources. So due to the presence of two compounds, the bacteria can raise, the growth can be raised twice, that is called dioxy growth. In the first time raising, it use glucose products which are present in the there. In the second time, a lactose products or carbon compounds which are present in the medium, that is called dioxy growth, which means two growth curves occurs when the bacterium provide different types of substrates. This is mainly due to the presence of two types of sugars in the culture medium. Two types of sugars in the culture medium. So what will happen here, the bacteria first utilize the first set of compounds, that is let us consider the first set of compounds is glucose. So the bacteria utilize the glucose compounds. Second, consider if the second set of compounds is lactose or carbon compounds, starts utilize the second, like that. So that is you can, on the right side we can see dioxy growth. First one, after replacing of glucose products, the growth curve can be increased and the stationary phase occurs here. Again, due to the presence of another second type of sugar compounds, again the growth curve can be increased. This is twice will happen. Two types of growth curves will happen, that is dioxy growth. There is no much confusion here. Due to the presence of two types of sugars, bacteria first utilize one type of sugar and the growth curve can be increased, because what I told you in the log phase, due to the presence of all available nutrients, the bacteria can grow maximum by utilizing all the available nutrients. So here two set of nutrients will be here. The first set of nutrients will utilize the bacteria, and the growth curve can be increased and the minimized. So what will happen, second time it start to utilize the second type of sugar, because I already told you that is two types of sugars which is present in the culture media. After utilizing the first type of sugar, then bacteria goes to second type of sugar. So that's why the dioxy growth can be curve can be observed.